Hello guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access other countries' Netflix. But before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos like this. Now, let's get started. Netflix hosts a large quantity of high-quality content, but a significant portion of it is not available in all regions. The shows and movies that are accessible to you will vary according to the region that you are in. In some countries, Netflix only offers a limited selection of movies and TV shows. Utilizing a virtual private network is the quickest and easiest method for changing the Netflix region. A VPN redirects all of your internet traffic through an intermediary server that is located in the nation of your choosing. This means that even if you are traveling far from home, you will still be able to access the streaming services of your home country no matter where you are. In addition, a virtual private network encrypts all your traffic, making it impossible for anyone, not even your internet service provider, to keep track of what you do online. First is you need to download a VPN. Set it up and log in. We recommend VPN as the most reliable virtual private network for accessing Netflix in countries or regions outside of your own. I will tell you in detail how to install VPN. Now, how to use VPN? Click the link in the description below and follow these steps. Step 1. Subscribe to a VPN plan according to your needs. Step 2. Download the VPN app you want for your device. Step 3. Connect to a virtual private network server located in the nation whose region you would like to access. After you've set up a virtual private network, it won't be difficult for you to gain protected access to the Netflix library you want even when you're away from home, or to the library of any other streaming service. Here are the steps you need to take to do. Log into your Netflix account so you can watch the movie or show you want to see. This method lets you watch Netflix anywhere in the world, and people who travel a lot like to use it. That's how you access other countries' Netflix. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Again, you can find the link in the description below. Leave a thumbs up if this worked for you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. See you at the next one.